Welcome explorers! Today we are descending beneath the dry, cracked surface of the Barrens to uncover one of Azeroth's most fascinating mysteries, the Wailing Caverns. What secrets lie within the lush, otherworldly cave system? Is it pure magic, or is there a scientific explanation woven into the fantasy? In this video, we'll explore the geology behind the Wailing Caverns, its connection to the desert Karst systems, and how hydrogeology and magic collide to create this unforgettable dungeon. The Barrens is a harsh desert, a place where life fights to survive under the blazing sun. Yet, beneath this arid landscape lies a lush ecosystem, fed by waters that defies the surface desolation. But how does this happen? In the real world, formations like the Wailing Caverns are often part of a karst system. These underground networks of caves form through a process called chemical dissolution. When rainwater absorbs carbon dioxide from the air and the soil, it becomes slightly acidic. This acidic water seeps into the ground and dissolves soluble rocks like limestone or dolomite over thousands of years, creating underground tunnels, chambers, and streams. This natural process is what shapes the intricate cave systems that we associate with karst landscapes. But here's the twist. The Wailing Caverns might owe its existence to a unique desert-karst interaction. Imagine an impermeable layer of rock, like shale, separating the desert above from the aquifer below. This would trap water underground, creating a hidden oasis where life flourishes, shielded from the harsh environment above. Of course, this is no ordinary karst system. The Wailing Caverns was chosen by the druid Naralex as a site to restore balance to the Barrens. He tapped into the Emerald Dream, a magical dimension of nature's perfect form, to heal the land, but something went terribly wrong. His dream turned into a nightmare, and the corruption spilled into the caverns. This magical contamination warped its waters, its flora, and even its creatures, creating the deviate monsters that now lurk in its depths. In a way, this reflects myth about human hubris. When we try to control nature, it often fights back in unexpected and terrifying ways. What makes this dungeon so immersive is how it blends the realistic with the fantastical. The Wailing Caverns, pools and streams could be fed by an underground aquifer, where waters move slowly through the layers of porous rock. In real life, aquifers like this can sustain life even in the driest deserts, as they do in places like the Sahara. But in fantasy, magic can take these natural systems and make them extraordinary. Perhaps the water here glows faintly due to magical contamination, or the fungi and plants have evolved to thrive under the influence of druidic energy. It's a reminder that in worldbuilding, the line between science and magic can create some of the most compelling environments. So, what can world builders and fantasy writers learn from the Wailing Caverns? First, think about the geology of your settings. Karst systems are a perfect way to create hidden underground worlds. Second, consider how magic interacts with nature. It's a force of creation, or does it corrupt what it touches? Finally, use ecosystems to tell a story. The Wailing Caverns is more than a dungeon. It's a microcosm of transformation, where nature and magic collide. The Wailing Caverns remind us that even the harshest landscapes can hide lush, thriving ecosystems beneath the surface. But whether those ecosystems are a sanctuary or a nightmare depends on the balance of magic and nature. So, tell me, in your worlds, how does magic shape the land? And what happens when it spirals out of control? Until next time, adventurers, keep exploring, because beneath every barren surface lies a world of wonder and mystery waiting to be uncovered.